Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy, high curly messy bun hairstyle. To start, I've popped a loose curl through the hair, but this doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ear and clip this out of the way at the front. Then just repeat on the opposite side. So divide it from the top of the head to just above the ear and clip that front piece out of the way for later. Secure the remaining hair into a high ponytail on top of the head, then release those front sections down. Add some dry texture spray to that ponytail. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Next, I'm going to grab the base of the ponytail with one hand, and with the other hand I'm going to section out a small piece of hair. Hold it to the ponytail about halfway down with the other hand. So push it against the elastic band and hold with your other hand. So essentially all we're doing is taking small sections of hair and then holding them halfway down that strand to the ponytail base. Keep doing this until you run out of hair, and then secure everything together with another elastic band over the top. Then we're going to take each loop and twist of this ponytail, taking sections next to each other and pull them in opposite directions to create some more texture and volume. Once you're happy with how it's starting to look, start pinning the hair down with a couple of bobby pins. So take two sections next to each other, pull them in opposite directions and secure to the head. Do this throughout the entire bun. Then with those front sections, I'm going to leave a little piece out to frame the face and divide the rest in half. Take that top half, give it a couple of twists towards the head and pin at the top of the bun, leaving the ends hanging down. Then bring that bottom half and do the same, so give it a couple of twists, but this time we're going to aim it towards the bottom of the bun and secure with a bobby pin. Then repeat on the opposite side, so leave a little out to frame the face. Split the remaining hair in two, and with that top half we're going to twist it towards the head, tuck it under the top of the bun and secure with a pin. And then take that last section, give it a couple of twists, tuck it under the bottom of the bun and secure with another pin. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.